60s, there was a lot of troubles in the southern states of America, particularly over civil rights. And we would hear about all of this on the news, and I wanted to try and write a song that, if it reached the people who were going through these troubles, struggling over the civil rights issue, it might just give them a little bit of hope. So this is it.
Put the seat out there, next time put the seat up.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Won't you take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life? You were only waiting for this moment to be free. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. Thank you. Thank you.